Hello my YouTube friends. The easiest way to get started on YouTube is to teach people something you know how to do that isn't common knowledge. Maybe you're an expert at desktop publishing or a master of the Excel spreadsheet. Literally with any computer skill that you have, you can pass that knowledge on to others easily with a tutorial. And to do good ones, you need to be able to record your screen. So today I'm going to show you how to record your screen for free on Windows and Mac. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Let's start with Mac. The screen record process is so easy and it's built right in. All you have to do is start your QuickTime app. Now, right-click on the icon at the bottom of the screen and select New Screen Recording. Click the Options drop-down and select where you want your files to be saved. And if you're going to be talking during the recording, you're going to want to select your microphone as well. You may also want to record an animation when you click your mouse, and you can set that up right here. Personally, I like to record the screen actions and then voice them over in post. I feel like I get more to the point instructions without a lot of dead air in the way. You can experiment with your own style though. Now, all you have to do is adjust the box on the screen to the area that you want to record and hit record. When you finish recording, you just click this little stop button at the top of the screen, and this is going to bring up your clip. Now you can give it a name and save it. Now, if for some reason you end up accidentally clicking out of the clip, have no fear, it's still saved. Usually it goes to your desktop or your QuickTime folder, so you can look right there and then rename it and move it wherever you want. For Windows, there are a lot of free screen recording options, but I'm going to show you how to use the one I use, and that's OBS Studio. There's a link in the description. Once it's installed, we need to set it up for proper high quality recording. So click the settings button here on the right hand side. Then you want to select output on the left. Now under recording, browse to the location you want your files to be saved. For recording, high quality works well, but you can get more extreme if you want to. Just remember, it creates much bigger files. You have a lot of recording formats you can choose from. And if you read this information at the bottom, it lets you know that if a recording is interrupted and you're using MOV or the MP4 recording format, it will become unusable. I can live with this because these are the most editable formats for me to use, so I usually select MP4. For my encoder, I choose NVIC. It's the one that's built into my NVIDIA graphics card, and it takes all kinds of pressure off the CPU. But if you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, you're going to want to select the X264 as the encoder. That's all you need to set up here, so we can apply this and click OK. Now let's add an application we want to do our tutorial on. And you can do this in two ways. One is with the window capture. You just click the plus in sources, and where it says window, you just drop that down and select the window you want to share. If the window is not opened, OBS is not going to see it, so be sure that the window is opened and that it's not minimized. If you want to capture the cursor, make sure this is selected and then click OK. Now you can use that window and OBS is going to record everything you do. The other way to set this up is with display capture. If you have multiple displays, you can capture one of them and then do your demo on that. If you do that, you click the plus under sources and select display capture. Under display, you just select the correct one. Now you can open an application in that window and it will just display on OBS. If you wanted to record your voice with this while you're doing your actions on screen, that's easy to do as well. You just click the plus under sources, select audio input capture, then select your microphone under device and click OK. Now it's going to record your voice to the file as well. All that's left is for you to start your recording. And to do that, you click Start Recording here in the lower right-hand corner. Then when you're finished, you just click Stop Recording. The files are saved to the locations we set up in Settings. What sort of tutorial content do you like to watch? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new to YouTube and you want to know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.